If I have to sum it up, I need to tell you that in the month of August, when we had the fitness test, in this same ground, this ground will turn out to be this. So, to the zeal of each one of you who have taken the physical fitness test, the ones who qualified, the ones who opted to go for the EBC camp, thank you all. And let's put our hands together and thank each one of us. Louder. Thadban. I think most of us are settled here. Teachers, it's a... The faster you settle, the faster the event starts. Is there any branch which is yet to come down? I don't think so. Kondapur is there, Shamirpet is there, Thadban is there. I am seeing the parents area little vacant. If I can request the last two rows to please come forward. Yeah, please come forward. To your surprise, as it's a gathering of parents, students and teachers, as a principal, I took the honor of being the MC for the day. And I hope you're going to enjoy it, learn something, because things might change. As a teacher or as a role model, I wanted my students to have a taste of it. It's very easy. I'm sure as students you Chandrasekhar DP, CEO of JGI Schools, Mrs. Lakshmi Rao, Academic Director of JGI Schools, Dr. Krishna, an inspiration from all, from Janche Adventures, Ms. Janvi, the youngest mountaineer and guide, dear contingent members, their parents, friends from media, representatives of Ratnasagar Publication, Principal GHCS Shamirpet, Mr. Babu Rao, Principal JPS Thadban, Ms. Jyoti Reddy, Center Head Toddlers Kondapur, Ms. Lalita, Auditor, Ms. Kushi, parents, teachers, and students from all the three branches. A very warm welcome to ABC with Tree Lab.
Look this side.
That's Janvi Didi, who has set up an example for the young generation. Thank you, Ananya.
It gives me an immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to you all on this August gathering. It's a great honor for me to address you people on this auspicious day. It is auspicious because it's a red letter day in the history of JGI. We created a world record, and as Hyderabad centers, when we have created this, I really feel so proud because myself and Dr. Chandrasekhar, we know how we had started the schools in Hyderabad. And it's like our baby, and when the baby is growing and when it is getting some kind of an achievement, we really have a lot of gratification. With that gratification, I'm congratulating all the children for making us proud. And first of all, I have to congratulate Dr. Chandrasekhar DP for initiating this particular event. If he wouldn't have taken this particular initiative, we wouldn't have been able to do this at all. It is his brainchild, so he deserves a round of applause for this. Thank you so much, sir. I don't believe in having moral science classes and then, allotting 2 periods in a week and then ask them to teach something which is there in the textbook. I'm never for it at all. I'm always against. I'm the first person, in fact, to cancel the moral science classes even in 1990. I said that I don't want any moral science classes because there's no point in teaching what is there in the textbook when they are not really following it. So when we thought that, many parents and in fact even media has asked me, why are you against moral science periods? I said I don't believe in it. There's no point in teaching what is there in the textbook and when the people are not able to really practice this. That's the reason why you should never forget what you have learned. now, right? This should be, like a warning to you all the time. Whenever you try to make a little mistake, because to err is human, we are all human beings, we keep making mistakes again and again. But whenever some small mistake is happening, you just pat yourself and you say, no, this is not meant for me. I have grown above that. So you have to really raise your bar, and you have already raised your bar. Right? When you raise your bar in your own mind, then you can never make any mistake at all, because your conscience will keep hitting you. Right? This is not meant for me. This lie, no, I should not tell this lie. And if you want to beat someone, you will say that no, this is not at all meant for me, because it is somebody else's job. I am meant for accepting everybody. I am meant for loving everyone. I am meant for understanding everyone. So this is how. This activity, what you have been a part of, will be really reminding you of the values and what you are supposed to be. And when I have to address these children, I would like to tell you that the satsang, you might have heard of this word, most of you might have heard of this word. Why I use the word satsang is, you have to choose the right friends, right? So when I say satsang, let me just make you understand one small story so that you will really understand what exactly is satsang. It seems once Narada had a doubt. He never knew what exactly is satsang. Then everybody he went on asking many, but finally he did not get a right answer. Sparing his valuable time and being with us. Thank you.
As ma'am was saying that the way they had started it, I just wanted to add 2 lines to it. It's in Hindi. I'm sure you would enjoy, all the Hindi knowing people. It's both for sir and ma'am. हम अकेले ही चले थे जानिबे मंजिल मगर, हम अकेले ही चले थे जानिबे मंजिल मगर, लोग साथ आते गए कारवां बनता गया. I think this is what is KGI science. Moving further, I would like to now call upon our beloved CEO sir, who is not only a source of inspiration and motivation for all of us, but also a visionary. This EBC, as ma'am said, would not have happened had he not been there here with us to take this ahead. I'm sure you will all agree to it. So dear audience, please put your hands together and let us welcome Chandrasekhar sir and hear his message. So.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chief Guest. I can even say now, beloved Chief Guest, Mr. Ramesh, Janvi, and my dear students. Yes, I have avoided the contingent intentionally, because I want to begin with this. What goes around comes around. You must have heard of this line. What goes around comes around, and I'm saying this because I don't know how many of you were there on that day and how many of you remember that it was on this particular stage, in this particular location and in this direction, when we sat that evening for the annual day function, we had Janvi for the first time being introduced to JGI schools. And today we are at the same place. Of course, the timing is different. We have started early. But that entire circle is complete. And people were telling that it is the brainchild of CEO and it is Chandrasekhar's idea of taking the students to EBC. Let me make a confession. There is no smoke without fire. And if I am the smoke, she is the fire. If I would have not met her, and if I would have not heard her, and if I would have not understood her story, I don't think I would have even got the imagination to think that something like this could be possible on this planet. It was that 14-year-old girl, when I heard her first, who spoke of determination, dedication and discipline, and I was thinking, sitting next to her on the same stage, this is after all what we want in education system. This is not something which can be taught through books. We all are a product of the same education system, and we all can vouch that nothing is taught in the book that we should be disciplined, we should be dedicated, and we should have determination. It comes by experience. Today, if parents are telling their children to do something because of their experience, today if a child is stopping himself or herself and not doing the same mistake because of experience. But the sad truth is, experience comes by trying. Experience is not available in the supermarket. We cannot go and buy it. So then I said, if this girl at 14 can talk about dedication, determination and discipline, then there should be something in her life which has made her realize the importance of these three things. And that is when I started asking her questions, and one question led to another, and to cut the entire long story short, Everest Base Camp happened. Now I want to thank all of them, and I've been doing this quite some time now, but I know that this is my last opportunity to do that, and I want to do it in front of all of you. They did it because of those 25 kids. And I want to thank you for being more than 100% participant on the contingent. Thank you. Then this man who is part of a love story. Okay, we have a youngest and the most purest love story. A love story between a 9-year-old girl and maybe 25, 27-year-old boy. Kumaran. And the girl I'm talking of is Krisha. You know, I'll tell you a small example. Today morning she was on my Jeep and the Victory Lab. I don't know when she went and she joined that Jeep. Without even we realizing, she vanished. So that's the power of love. But what I want to talk about, Krisha, please sit down. Kumaran sir, he was designated as the security in charge, but I'll tell you this honestly. Security means you have to ensure that children are safe. I have seen him on more than 2 occasions in the entire 14-day trek, sitting down on the floor and tying shoelace for children. That was not his job description. That was not his job description. And I'll tell you this incident. Thank you, sir. I'll tell you this incident. On the trek, there are no washrooms. There are no toilets. Men, because of their advantage, they can just run behind the rocks. I have done it. Dr. Krishna has done it. Kumaran himself has done it. But when the women, when the female folks of the group had to do it, the protection and the professionalism every person of the contingent displayed is simply superb. Then comes to my own counterpart, colleague of JGI schools, Madam Saraswati. I can talk about her in only one line. She was not there as mother of Jayavardhan or Jahnavi. In fact, we had to remind her every now and then that they are your kids. I'll tell you why. Room allotment, she was in charge. Not one day they had Jayavardhan or Jahnavi in their room. In fact, not one day Dr. Krishna and Madam stayed together in one room. And Krisha on both sides of her. Thank you, Madam, for that service. Thank you. Now I will tell you 3 incidences, because these things you have not heard anywhere and only I can tell. Are you interested, children? And there are 3 real stories from the contingent. First story is that, and you have heard of Samanyu being the youngest boy and you know we are achieving world record. I'm not telling you anything that. I'll tell you something which is unsung. There was this incident when we were climbing up to Namche Bazaar on 2nd day of the trek on October 11th. And when we were climbing up, that steep climb after lunch especially was grueling. And when we were climbing up there, there came a stage where we saw one of our member who was sitting there and crying. A girl. To be very frank, if she had said, I won't walk, we had nothing to do. We had no option. We were already contemplating with Sherpas, can we get a horse and get her onto the horse and send her? She said, no, it's okay, I will walk, I want to walk. And she walked. At that point of time, at least 45% of the trek was still pending for that day. For that day's trek, not the whole country, it was just day 2. That day still 45% of the journey is still pending. And she finished it by taking step after step after step. And that girl is none other than Grishma. Grishma from Shamirpet branch. You will say, where is stomachache coming from? But why am I trying to tell you is, that for me is a classic lesson in never giving up. We had given up, but she did not give up. I said, please avoid him from the contingent because he may be troubling the contingent. But let me tell you this, not for a single day of the 14 days trek, we realized that this boy is a part of the contingent. He was on time with his food, with getting ready, packing his backpack, being there on time, without even we realizing he was there at every destination, and that boy is Rohan. Rohan from Jain Public School. Rohan for me is a classic example of there is no noise like success. You don't on the front first. But I can't comment because one adult is speaking, I can't talk. And second time, he knows better than me any day on that terrain. So I kept quiet. She was so happy. She went and got her bag and she started walking. After some time, she caught the front and she could not carry her bag. She was all the time telling, sir, too much weight, I can't carry. And we in fact removed the bag for some time and gave it to Sherpa. And then we made her walk. She went and she went and she went and she finished Everest Base Camp, not just one, even Everest Base Camp 2, she went up to that. So she stopped there at Everest Base Camp, but point what I'm trying to tell you is the power of faith. I don't know what made him take a decision. There was no medical test done, but he just believed in her. And he had the faith in this girl that she will do it, and that faith translated into power for her, and she said, no, now I'm not doing this camp or trek for me. Now I'm not doing it for my body. Now I'm not doing it for anybody else other than this man's faith on me. That faith made her walk. See, there are so many heroes in the contingent. I'm not saying no, Samanyu is a hero, Nayanthara is a heroine, fine. But the point is, these stories are stories of a lifetime. The reason I want to tell you all is these are the stories you will remember, not Victory Lap, not the day 18th of October, or not our school created a world record. That is history now. After tomorrow, Monday is another week, Monday is a new week, and we will be busy with so many other things in the school. World record belongs to each and every member of JGI family. So thank you once again, and this is just the beginning.
I just lost track of everything. I feel that let him keep on telling us something more. It was so mesmerizing. I wish we could continue. But then, only those who will risk going too far can possibly do that. Getting to the top is optional. Getting down is mandatory. So is the case here. Speaking about the event is good, but felicitating the outstanding performers is mandatory. So here we go with the felicitation ceremony. Can I have the music, please? Mountaineering, never look down, move ahead. We have Ratnasagar publication also coming forward to felicitate all of you. Ratnasagar is also acknowledging you, sir. And Ms. Saraswati, if I can request you to please join him here. We did not invite her. And if you can have Jayvardhan also joining the page.
Respected Ramesh sir, Chandrasekhar sir, Lakshmi madam, Mona, and my sweet daughter, Jahanavi. Respected media people, parents, all the students of JJI, including my little champs. A very good afternoon. As Mona madam has given me a very big restriction, because generally if I hold a mic, you know. So this is a very big problem for me to talk very crispy, but I just wanted to just, rewind what Lakshmi madam has told, that values bank and all. I remember if all the parents and students who were coming for training, I was telling the same one thing. You reach whatever height in the world, but don't forget from where you came. So this is the word I always tell them, that you should not forget from where you have come, the values, the discipline. So this has to continue. You may reach whatever heights, you may be something, that doesn't matter. But don't forget from where you have come. And to be honest, let me, as Chandrasekhar sir has confessed, I also want to confess one thing. Not actually confession, but more than confession. See, it's I think first time something I'm talking openly in a public about me. I was never, thinking that I will get married. I never thought I will be married, because always I do such thing that no girl will stay with me. So whenever I travel all over world or places, I always hear that Indian girls, Indian people cannot do, or Indian people are weaklings and all. So I thought, okay, God, if I get married, the question mark, big question mark, if at all I get. But before that, I always wanted to adopt a girl and make her a super girl. But he has some decision, and I don't know what happened, and I was pushed into this marital relation. And I got married, so I have to accept it. So I asked God one thing. My dream has come true. So that is what I always wanted to replicate. And honestly, from deep of my heart, it's not the words that I'm talking. I think most of you know that I'm one of the worst person. They say that bad person. Sir, gussa hai to gali de dete ho, pyar aaya to pyar kar dete ho, muh pe karte ho. So I don't do back. I am indebted to Lakshmi Madam and CEO sir or Chandrasekhar for making my dream, one of my dream, for making this girl child or boys, in a childhood, that kind of transformation, or, whatever you say. I wanted to give, and it's my deep heart, sir. Like, I think everything we owe to Nagapuri sir. It's honest, it's like open. I know everywhere we have given. Whatever fitness he is today, whatever he has done, is all due to him. He is so humble. He is a government coach, a nice state government. He's not supposed to take photos of my smile. You can see always wherever photos, anywhere, his smile is something which is enriching us. So this Gen Z Adventures is nothing but from last 2 years. See, I'm not a businessman, I'm a professional, and I think most of the parents accept me, what I am. He was after me for last 2 years. Sir, మీరు organize చేయండి, మీ talent మీరు అందరికి పంచండి. You చేయండి అంటే I am a very shy person in understand what made them, like, I think Steve has to agree also, the involvement, what they have done. Every one of the family member, they left their job, they left their business, they left things. If I say morning 6 o'clock, I think one of the person who is there, Nimesh, 5:30 will be there, sir, main aa gaya. There is one more person who is the most naughtiest parent, I should say, Shashi Galada. He was supporting me like anything. I think each and every one, I can say Jai, who was very shy at the beginning, but now I fight with him. Like, Ishwar Chandra, and our food and beverage in charge, Akash, who always sees that we are always healthy, he gives supplies, and all the mothers. We had the trek. So with that words, I would really like to thank Lakshmi Madam, the most always smiling person. Even he is taking revenges on me. He is telling I am taking revenge, but the most smiling man, and I have not seen a CEO like this. I think children has to accept it. And give him a, what's our logo? Team, sir. Alok sir, ek baar ho jayega. And this became so viral that even our Sherpas, they started shouting at this. Okay, with this.
Thank you so much, Dr. Krishna. हमारा साथ तो जिंदगी के साथ भी, जिंदगी के साथ है, जिंदगी के बाद है. It's like LIC policy. Thank you. How apt for you, young Janvi, who is always on move. Requesting our chief guest, CEO Sir, and academic director ma'am to please felicitate the world's youngest mountaineer who has conquered Mount Everest. Janvi, we would like to, Everest Base Camp, sorry. Janvi, that's my dream maybe. Janvi, we would like to hear a short message after the felicitation. Please come forward. For the news which I wanted to break with all of you, she and the proud principal of Janvi. Janvi's parents, the plant is basically for the parents to
respected dignitaries, Chief Guest Ramesh sir, my coach, CEO JGI Dr. Chandrasekhar DP, Academic Coordinator Lakshmi Rao ma'am, media friends, parents of the country, to meet, to be in the fraternity of JGI, because I never knew that I could come out and be a role model in my life to someone else. And I could do this because of my father and my mother, because they have given me and they have nurtured me so much that I can be replicated to someone else. And I would also like to thank CEO sir and Lakshmi Rao ma'am for accepting us, me and my dad, and taking forward our dream of taking the schools or children to trekking or like mountaineering. And to just say, I think this is the very first time in my life where I could see someone accepting our proposal at the moment we have proposed. So it didn't take much time for them to accept for the Everest Base Camp trek, and it just went like just a click like that. And I think it was really successful, and it wouldn't have been successful without your support, the JGI schools, the principals, teachers, students, and all of them here. And I can say very proudly, and I am honored and privileged to be Ramesh sir's student, and I've been coached and guided by him and trained under him for 2 years. And after I getting into under his guidance, I can say I have climbed 3 of my peaks comfortably and completed them successfully, and I owe all of my climbs to Ramesh sir, because he trains in such a way that you do not need to you cannot, whenever he's in field, you cannot talk to him like how you talk to him outside his place. So he's like so dedicated to his work, and more importantly, he's a coach where he trains scientifically, because he always keeps in mind that none of his students should be injured at any moment, and that is the lesson which I have been taking from the time I've been under his guidance. And I would really like to thank you so much, sir, for your training. And I cannot say anything much about him, because he is my guru and he is all for me. And I would also like to thank all the parents of the contingent group, because I don't think it was an easy task for you people also to get your children out and leaving them for the very first time in your life for 15 days. And I know how every parent would feel, because all of the kids were with me most of the time, and they would say that, I asked them, don't you miss your parents? Like, no, we are enjoying here. So I do not know how you were feeling there, sitting here out in Hyderabad. But then I would really like to thank all of you all for your support and your love towards your children and towards Janjay Adventures. And I could say the training sessions were like very memorable days, I can say. All the parents, while the children were training, I can proudly say that the parents also trained along with them, because they wanted to motivate their kids that even, yes, if I do it, my child will also see me and do. And I think all of them have done a really good job. And coming to the kids, and they have been so close to me. They like, Janvi Didi, and like they've played with me, they have tortured me also many times. But then we had lots of fun, and I can say this is the best group ever I have guided in my whole life.
And the energy which these kids have shown, they deserve more of an energy from your end. along with the parents, please get ready to be honored and felicitated. Along with the parents to please be here. I know, ma'am, it's your day today.
Come together, look here, please. Look here, please, into this camera, please.
Come along with the grandparents. Wonderful. It's a proud moment for the entire family. Let's please, Hasita, can I request you to be ready with your parents? Please, Hasita. Please, Hasita. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, please keep clapping.
Okay, look here please into the camera. Ma'am, look here please. Ma'am.
Trophies, certificates, plans. You deserve it all. And my dear students, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, for the parents, let me come out. Along with the parents, please come near the stage. Shashiji, you are required. Can I have Jayvardhan near the stage along with his parents? Jayvardhan, our family is on the stage. Jayvardhan can come. Thank you.
Look here please.
Firodia, can I have you near the stage along with your parents? It's a family affair. Please be here near the stage to be felicitated. Children, I want you all to be ready for a group photograph which is going to happen immediately after this felicitation, as we will be holding a great book with us. Chaitanya. felicitate him. And he is here with his parents. That's wonderful. Don't give me such naughty looks. You know how to laugh. Let me hear it loudly. Can I request Ms. Saraswati to please be here? Can I request Ms. Saraswati to please come near the stage? The lovebirds. Let's clap for them. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Otherwise I call you old folks. Can I request Mr. Alok Surana to please come near the stage? Last but not the least, I want you all to put your hands together. Thank you so much. It is indeed a proud moment for the proud parents. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
Great
much.
Achievers parents, and as one of the participant in that, as a parent of the leader, it's indeed my responsibility to express thanks to all the dignitaries on the dais as well as off the dais, including the press. And I would express my heartfelt congratulations to all those contingent participants for their great achievements in making the world record, as well as the parents who made up their mind to make their kids to make the world record.
The achievers and world record holders. Everybody spoke much about achievement and how you have to be, how you have to serve. I would like to share my few experiences about Jahnavi. First time I saw in my career a father who brought up child without fear. ఒకసారి తను గ్రౌండ్ తీసుకొచ్చారు. So I asked her, can you go alone to climb? Nik bayam kada. Then I asked, don't you fear me? She was looking at her father, blinking that word doesn't know, she doesn't know that word. Because sometimes when we don't know something, we blink. That's what she was looking at father, what sir is telling. Then he told me, sir, I brought up her without the meaning of fear. So that's what, anything means, just think what we do. Night, we say, child, don't go in the night. So we are, and another thing I found in her, whenever whatever training I give, she never say enough. She never say no. She keeps on doing, that's all, whatever it may be. Means that is the way she brought up. Means anything is possible for human being the way you brings up. So that is the way today she's at the youngest age and she's climbing so many, and her dream is to complete 7 summits in the world at engaged age. I hope that will get soon with the help of this organization. And you know, adventure, it is there in blood of Krishna Garu. I don't know, now I've listened so many things. Now many parents might have come to know so many other qualities of their kids. So many other talent, because you don't know, only one angle you are watching at home, going school and all. Now they are telling, your child is so group leader, means a group leader is there in your child. So somebody is saying, he takes care of everybody. The caring ability is there in your child, right? Somebody's, so never give up. So please groom them in that angle, because every profession has got a future. So identify the talent in your child. That's what I always believe in it. Some children born poor, some may born rich, but no one born bad. And God sends every child in this world with some or other talent. It is only we have to identify that talent. So a lot of experiences are there with me. That is the reason I believe in it. So, and I really congratulate and appreciate the parents. And this is what the risk required for our nation, because these kids are going to be the asset for our nation. When you can do this risk, you can take any risk for the nation. So the kids also, it's not our life. And the achievement, any achievement, the Lakshmi Rao was telling that once you become some achiever, some celebrity, automatically responsibility comes in. Now these kids cannot behave like before. Same thing happened to me. After this, do something adventure, because we are coming in this world to leave some marks, because that's what Vivekananda says. We came down here to leave some marks. Please leave some marks rememberable for the world from country, because that is what our nation, our country, India is great in the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. CEO, Academic Director of JGI, principals, parents, and my dearmost students. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a word of thanks on this occasion. First, let me start with the parents. Generally, we put parents last, but for this occasion, I think it is because of you this has happened. You have taken the first step, but you have taken the right step in putting your child and the faith and the trust in the school to send your child for the EBC trek.
Thank you so much. I think